of course, you have Batty boy, because you have Matthew around there. Yeah. You have it, eh? I hear that, man.
Suck your mother, man.
You want me to feel up? Batty
Sure,
boy.
shit all girl and
Piss the girl and piss in her head, you know. Y'all look pan sizzler look for that. Y'all look pan sizzler look for that. Kill me now and kill next sizzler kill up
you don't know that. I mean, I do them girl them that thing
there. All half a sizzler daughter money, you know.
Yeah, go pan beer so girl suck all the back, you know, fuck me, fuck them.
See, I'll bun like you
your mother, man.
Can't offer that little girl the money. Batty boy. Look for 14 years what they offer money. Pussy. Of course, you can prove it. Pussy, me can prove it. I will tell her mother. I will tell her mother. You tell her all the basic arguments you want so hard. Don't make Sizzler know that, yeah.
Batty boy,
you can barely in it out, you tell her mother.
Batty boy,
Batty boy. You know what you're doing when you hit up at the gate that's on looking for now.
Somebody want to see you, man. I tell you that.
Don't make me tell Sizzler, back off your blood clot head. Yeah, and wait till Sizzler come to. I bet them have to go bust it. I bet them have to go bust it. And when me hear them a chat say, you put argument in the good fitness. And I have money.
I bet they said, look more, Mr. the girl and I'm
what kind of look for more? What kind of look for more? Move mind to them now. They say you're a pervert, Rasta pervert from the lane. That me I tell you, because you're a lucky girl, man. I lie? I lie? Trying to make them prove it in front of you. And Lord and Lord, that's true, you never touch her still. Whatever they touch her. That's something I tell you when you're in our yard. Y'all are going and shell it, but all that cigarette with spice. Post it. That's something